Alright guys, so we're at the airport waiting for our flight to board. We have like a whole hour and she over there chilling. We got our bags. We over here, she sleep. We charging our stuff just to be super responsible. And we all tired though. We're tired. You tired?
I'm so tired.
I'm get no sleep. Yeah, so we didn't get any sleep. We got here hella early because we're smart adults. But we still waiting. But we only have like an hour left, so it's not that bad. But next time I'll see y'all. Will probably be in Cancun or on the plane. I don't know yet. Get back on here. So y'all see my outfit, right? So I wanted to wear these UGG shoes, right? The little slides. Yo, they are not what you think they are. They are not, what's like a nice way to say it? They are not the quality of the snow boot. That's all I gotta say. Because they're hard like a rock. Hey, I'm on the Wi-Fi. What is this called?
This is Maestro Teclero Añejo.
I like this.
Yeah, that was really, really nice.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you for that recommendation.
It has
Yeah.
6 months or 1 year in the style. It's very good.
That is really good.
Okay, so this is our room, guys. This is our closet. Our luggage is right here. We got tree robes. Straight away. Yeah. Okay, so here's the bathroom. It's very modern. This is me. I look like a hot, greasy mess right now, but it's okay, you know, it's alright. Modern details. This is the shower. La-di-da-di-da. This is the bathroom. Cool. And when you walk in here, this is the mirror. She's taking selfies. The mirror is kind of foggy because we opened the door. These are our beds. It's moist in here. Like, yo. Here's our mini bar, which we really don't drink none of this. But we drink other stuff. And here's like the cold mini bar area. Take a look at that. We got our bottled water. Bottled water. That is a must. We got snacks too. We got the crunchy, crispy bars. All this chocolate. I'm not a fan. Oh, they got my favorite juice. Oh, it's lit. Oh, they got white wine. Brittany, look. Sauvignon Blanc.
Hey.
Ooh, almost fell.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Blanc. I like that too. But yeah. So that's our little mini bar. Then we got coffee right here, you know, but we don't even, well, I mean, they drink coffee. I don't know if y'all drink espresso stuff. All right, so this is our lounge area. We got little flowers right here, which is cute. Then we got some champagne, which we about to pop. And this is the balcony area. Oh, balcony area. We got sitting area. Then we got a jacuzzi over there. We got a pool view here. And then this is like our view. Very green. Very green. It's very nice, but it's very moist today. Like super moist. So that is our room tour. Oh, we also have a TV right here. TV right here.
I'm not putting where we see.
Hey.
Hey.
And then I'm not either, really. And then we got little things so we can play music right here, which is nice. Like the oh, so greasy. The decor is very simple, but I like it because it's not too much and it's easy to keep clean. You feel me? I respect it. So we will come back and vlog when we doing some lit. Hey? Hey. All right, so we about to pop this champagne part 2. Greasiness and all. Like, look at this deal. Look at this deal. And I have dry skin. It's crazy. So let me tell y'all about these shoes, yeah? They feel like bricks. They're not comfortable. I would not recommend wearing them to the airport. Alright, so got my girl over here, Chaz. She about to pop the bottle. Ooh! Hey, turn up. Turn up. Hey, turn up. Turn up. Get it. Hey, ain't gonna. All right. So, oh, we need another glass.
Yes, we do.
But yo, you know what? It's okay because I can have it in a coffee cup. Y'all can be fancy. I can be rustic.
Oh, awesome.
Would that be considered? It's gonna be considered rustic today.
Okay.
Today.
Well, today's September.
Hey.
It'll be rustic.
Who's gonna eat that banana though?
Not I. Because this doesn't even look like a lemon. What is this?
I don't know, cause remember that orange that he gave us,
Yeah,
and we were like, this is like a lemon, but it was low key an orange. So, yeah. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Clink. I really like that shot we just had though.
Yeah, it was good.
So I think we're gonna be doing more of those because no, that was better than 1942.
Yeah, it was. That was hella smooth.
It was
Shocking
better
as well.
than 1942. What is it called again?
Maestro.
There we go. All right, see you guys in a minute.
Who is in you? Estoy, same thing, right? Oh, Estoy.
What's the name of that secret
I
restaurant?
am ready.
Surfing
Yo.
Joe. No, I'm lying.
Four.
What was the name of the restaurant?
No, she's getting a different.
What's the name of
I
that?
want to try the
The
reposada.
reposado?
We're doing the shots.
Are we the one she says?
Yeah, it
This
is.
place.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Glasses.
Thank you. Orange slices. All right, you ready? Cheers.
I know, right?
Clink, 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 clink.
Cheers. Thank you.
Añejo is smoother. That one's smooth too, but Añejo is smooth.
Really?
I was thinking
There
y'all
was
taste it.
Añejo.
I got reposada. Añejo is smooth. Reposada is good, but Añejo is really smooth.
This one kind of burns a little bit.
Huh? I know. I wanted to try the reposada one. That's that.
All right, y'all. So we just got back from what was it called? Fiesta?
Yeah,
Mexican Independence Day.
Mexican Independence Day?
Yeah.
What did you have to eat?
I had fish. The cornitas, it was okay, but the best thing was guacamole.
Yeah,
Maybe a little
we was like really craving some guac, and we got the guac. It was super fresh, but everything else kind of just wasn't what I was dreaming of. What about you? What you think, Brittany?
The carnitas were good.
Yeah, she
but you know
very
I don't
good.
eat it that much, so that was good. The guac was good. The elotes was good.
The mushrooms was good.
I didn't get the
I
mushrooms.
didn't get the mushrooms.
Okay, the mushrooms was bomb.
hands
Dusty,
so
dirty.
They're not though.
I'm glad ain't nobody musty, but you know, everybody's still dirty. But
I don't want my face in it though.
so I'll come back and I'll start filming when we start getting ready to go out tonight. All right, so it's time to get up and get ready. Ow, I just ran into the door. I'm gonna go ahead and put my robe on. The other girls are still asleep. All right, I'm struggling. Hold on. Other girls are still asleep. They're being real whack. But I didn't travel all this way for nothing. Struggling for real. Alright, so. Alright, I love a good robe, sis. Alright, I love a good robe. You can barely see me, but let's try to wake these girls up, okay? Pobrecita, perdóname, pero Oh snap. What did I just do? Crap, what did I just do? Look at them, y'all. Tired and food. Tired and food. To order some room service. I'm really thinking about a Caesar salad. They have onion soup. Let's see. Excuse me. Chicken. They got a mushroom supreme. That sounds nice. Yes. That'll be all. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, bye. Click. Pretty snazzy. Still sleep. What the break? Get up. That smells good. You want any?
No.
Nah, you don't. Hey. To taste this. This one. They finally woke up, y'all.